Hey, when you guys are doing these Teslas, make sure you get up under the front underside of the hood, and just give it a quick wipe down so it don't get too much build up. Quick wipe down in the mornings for your customer, and man, it's just water just comes out. It's so easy. I'm done pretty much. It's literally been under 20 minutes and it's done. Top off their windshield wiper fluid. And this stuff is what? 99 cents. So why not? That's a done deal. It roughly took me 20 minutes to pressure wash off the grime and wipe down. Ceramic coating makes it that easy.